All right, today is the first day that we are going to talk about order of operations. This should be review for you. We've done order of operations probably since elementary school. So basic order of operations, we're just going to work through some problems. These notes will also be given to you whenever you are here in school. But if you would like to follow along on a sheet of notebook paper, you are more than welcome to do that as well. So basic order of operations, we always think about PEMDAS, and that is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. And this multiplying and dividing is left to right, so whichever one comes first. And so is adding and subtracting. Okay, so we are going to just evaluate numerical expressions by using order of operations and then do some algebraic expressions as well. So we want to evaluate 2 to the 6th power. The exponent means that you are taking 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. You can also just do that in your calculator. If I write that out, you would do 2 and then the little caret button, 6. So if you would do that, that comes out to be 64. Okay, the next one, we've got 4 to the 4th power. So remember, you are not taking 4 times 4. You are doing 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. And you should get 256. Okay, so for this, it says evaluate expressions inside the grouping symbols. So that would be the parentheses. Evaluate all powers. That is the exponents, multiplying and dividing from left to right, and then adding and subtracting from left to right. If it helps you, write PEMDAS at the top of your paper just so you can follow along with it. So we don't have any parentheses, but we do have exponents. So we want to do the exponent first. So 2 to the 3rd power would be 8. And then we are multiplying and dividing, but we're doing it from left to right. So we have division first. So we want to do 48 divided by 8, which is 6. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 5 is 23. And if you notice, I wrote out all of my steps so I can continue on and be organized. You definitely want to do that as well. Okay, so here's the next couple. We have addition, multiplication, and subtraction. So we want to multiply first. So 42 times 2 is 84. And then we want to add before we subtract because it is left to right. And you can just add all of these together at the same time, and you get 82. All right, this next one, you have exponents. So you should have 8 squared is 64. Then you have multiplication. So you should have minus 77. Okay, then you have minus, a plus and a minus. So you can just do that all together. And you can type all of that into your calculator at once. And you end up getting 0. Okay, so this one, we have parentheses and brackets. Brackets are just another form of a grouping symbol, and they act like parentheses. So we want to do the brackets before anything else as well. But we're going to first do the parentheses. 9 squared is 81 minus 9. Then we want to divide by 12. So 81 minus 9 is 72. Do what's inside of the brackets still. So 72 divided by 12 is 6. And then the brackets act like another parenthesis. So 6 times 5 would be 30. Okay, so that is it for the first day of notes. So your homework is going to be page 11, odds. This can be found under the teams in the order of operations channel, and then it will be under the assignment. You should do this assignment first before you do any of the other assignments, but please ask for help if you need any help.